Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet articles. It's especially for Indians community. It's a Rakhi beautiful design. So please don't skip the video viewers and watch the video start to end. All of these designs are unique, stunning and very outstanding. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. You can see viewer, these designs are very amazing, so share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive allies of and other crochet Rakhi designs ideas. It's very amazing and very relaxing designs. So you know viewer, it's a traditional Rakhi is a traditional Hindustan, India and Pakistani festival. So you know viewer, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet Rakhi's ideas. Pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for your someone and for your siblings. Thank you viewer for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So viewer, now I am sharing with you the benefits of crochet Rakhi's idea. That's an interesting combination. While Rakhi is a traditional Indian and Pakistani festival celebrating the bond between siblings, crochet is a popular handicraft. If you are asking about the benefit of crocheting Rakhi gifts, here are a few. Personal touch. Handmade crochet Rakhi gift shows you care enough to invest time and effort. Its unique gift. Your siblings will receive a one-of-a-kind piece, personalized gift, develops skills and crocheting improves hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills and cognitive abilities. Relaxation. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be calming and meditative. If you are mean something else, please feel free to clarify. So viewer, I hope you all are understand the benefits of crochet Rakhis. You can see viewer, designs are very amazing and very aesthetic looks. This video is especially for those people who loves handicraft and who appreciate the people's. And one of main question in all the beginners mind is what is the crochet. So viewer, now I am share with you some basic rules and some basic about crochet. Some basic details are here. Crochet, a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items, from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. So Weaver, if you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you some basic instructions and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips and inspiration for your next project. What would you like about crochet, and share your experience, share your details, and these are some fun facts about crochet weaver. Crochet is a French word. Its meaning is hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, home decoration, and toys items. The most common crochet hook materials are aluminium, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide with millions of enthusiasts. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. So happy crocheting weaver. I hope you all are understand. If you are not interested, if you are not understand, so comment me. I can provide you step by step instruction for basic crochet stitches and techniques. Patterns, I can offer a wide range of crochet pattern of various projects from scarf to blanket and Afghan's toys. Tips and tricks, I can share helpful tips and tricks for improving your crochet skills and avoiding common mistakes. What would you like to know or make? Let me know, and I will do my best to assist you. So if you all love this article weaver, and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, weaver, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Bye bye.